students. Now very most important topic, that is stability of carbocations. Stability of carbocation. What is the order? Stability of carbocation order, that is resonating structures are more stable than hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation compounds are more stable than inductive effect compound. These are priority orders. And first priority goes to resonating structures. Resonating structure are that is mesomeric effect. Resonating or resonance or mesomeric effect is greater than that of hyperconjugation. Then after that, hyperconjugation more priority than inductive effect. This is the priority order strand, stability of carbocation order strand. So what is stability of carbocation? Our condition is that is positive charge should be less. Positive charge should be less on carbon. Positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. Positive charge should be less on carbon. Positive charge should be less on carbon. That is, that compound is more stable. This is very most important question. So stability of carbocation, how to determine, how to find out that stability of carbocation. The first condition is positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. Now take the example student, that is stability of carbocation. Example 1, CH3 CH2 plus ethyl carbocation, and second one is CH3 CH plus then CH3. Out of these two, which one is more stable? Which one is more stable? What is the condition student? That is positive charge should be less on carbon, that is more stable. So here this positive charge is there, this carbon having positive charge is there, this is also having positive charge is there. This positive charge left hand side is CH3 group. This CH3 group is belongs to plus I group. This belongs to plus I group, and this is also left hand side one methyl group is there, right hand side also one methyl groups are there. One methyl group is there. This both are belongs to plus I group. It is also belongs to plus I. Those both are plus I group. What is the role of plus I group student? This plus I group positive inductive effect. What is the role of positive inductive effect student? That is electron releasing group. Positive electron plus I group means electron releasing group. So here already positive charge means there is deficiency is there. This is deficiency. What is the condition? Positive charge should be less. This both present having this carbon also having same positive charge and this carbon also having same positive charge, but due to the presence of plus I group, what is the role of plus I group? Electron releasing group. So that's why this electron releasing group, this methyl group, so positive charge is slightly decreases. Positive charge is slightly decreases. This positive charge is slightly decreases. Then in second compound, this is A compound and this is the B compound. This B compound also having same positive charge, but left hand side one methyl group is there, right hand side also one methyl group is there. Since both are electron releasing group, left hand side plus I group is there, right hand side also plus I group, both are electron releasing group. So compared to A compound, B compound is more electron releasing. This is only methyl group, only one left hand side only one methyl group is there. Compared to A compound, B compound having more electron releasing groups. So why? Because this B compound having two methyl groups are there. These two methyl groups are electron releasing. So here more electron releasing. So that's why this positive charge is completely decreases compared to this one. Our concept is, what is the conception? That is positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. So out of these two, which one is more stable? Our concept is positive charge should be less on carbon. This A compound having positive charge is there, B compound also having positive charge, but this A compound having only one plus I group is there. So this is also electron releasing group, and B compound having two plus I groups are there. These both plus I groups are more electron releasing compared to A compound. So that's why is more, that is complete positive charge is decreases. In B compound, positive charge is completely decreases. So that's why B compound is more stable than A compound. This is the stability of carbocation. How to find out the stability of carbocation? You remember, sir, positive charge should be less on carbon. present this carbon also same positive and this carbon also positive charge, but left hand side one plus I group is there, so electron releasing group here positive charge is slightly decreases, but B compound having two methyl groups are there, these both are electron releasing. Compared to A compound, B compound is more electron releasing, so that's why more electron releasing group, so that's why this positive charge is completely decreases. Positive charge should be less in this carbon compared to A compound. B compound having less positive charge due to the plus I group, so here positive charge is completely decreases, so that's why B compound is more stable than A compound. B compound more stable than A compound. This is the simple trick, student. Now take the one more example, student. CH3 CH2 plus, this is A compound, then B compound is that is CH3 CH2 then CH2 plus. These both are having, this is also positive charge and this is also positive charge. This positive charge is primary carbocation, it is also primary carbocation, so it is also primary carbocation, it is also primary carbocation. This back side is plus I group is there, this is also plus I group, and ethyl group is also belongs to plus I group, it is also belongs to plus I group. This is also plus I and this is also plus I group. So here what is the role of plus I group, student? That is electron releasing group, so that's why here positive charge is decreases, and it is ethyl group, it is ethyl group, compared to this one it is more electron releasing. A compound and B compound having ethyl group, compared to methyl and ethyl, this positive charge beside methyl group is there, this positive charge beside group is ethyl group is there, the ethyl group is more electron releasing group, so that's why is electron releasing group, so that's why this positive charge is compared to this one is decreases, positive charge is more decreases. So here out of these two, which one is more stable, student? B compound is more stable than A compound, but this is not correct way. And one more condition, student, that is the stability of carbocation order, that is resonating structure is more stable than hyperconjugate. Hyperconjugation, after that inductive effect. Hyperconjugation is more priority than inductive effect. So here in this second example, here hyperconjugation also possible. How to calculate hyperconjugate, student? That is positive charge beside carbon, alpha carbon. This alpha carbon having alpha hydrogen. This positive charge beside carbon is called alpha carbon. This alpha carbon containing alpha hydrogen. Here 3 alpha hydrogens are present. 3 alpha hydrogens are present. First compound having 3 alpha hydrogen and second compound having only 2 alpha hydrogen. This positive charge beside carbon, this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. So here stability depends on hyperconjugation also. So here it contains this B compound having only 2 alpha hydrogen, A compound having 3 alpha hydrogen, and this is also primary carbocation and this is also primary carbocation, and this is also plus I effect, this is also plus I effect, this is also hyperconjugate, this is also hyperconjugation, this is also effect of hyperconjugation, this is also having hyperconjugation. So here more hyperconjugates, that is the more stable. We know stability order, student. First priority goes to resonance, then after that hyperconjugation, after that inductive effect. Here this B compound having inductive effect is there, hyperconjugation is there. So first priority goes to hyperconjugation. More number of hyperconjugates, that is the more stable. So here this A compound having 3 hyperconjugates, B compound having only 2 hyperconjugates. You remember, student, this positive charge, these both are electron releasing group. This electron releasing group, it belongs to plus I group. Plus I group, that is positive and negative. These both are having positive and negative group. According to the plus I group, this is the more stable. According to the plus I group, is B compound is more stable, but here this both compound having hyperconjugates also, the hyperconjugates are also there. So this A compound having 3 hyperconjugates and B compound having only 2 hyperconjugates. So here stability depends on hyperconjugation. So that's why first priority goes to hyperconjugation, after that inductive effect. So here A compound and B compound, A compound is more stable than B compound. A compound is more stable than B compound. A compound is more stable than B compound due to the hyperconjugation. This compound having only 3 hyperconjugates and this compound having only 1 hyperconjugation. So the only 2 hyperconjugation. So out of these two, A is more stable than B. This is the simple trick, student. This is the simple trick for hyperconjugation, sorry, stability of carbocation. Now take the one more example, student, that is CH3 CH2 plus, then B compound, that is CH3 CH plus, then CH3, then C compound CH3 C plus, then CH3. Out of these three, which one is more stable? Same thing, student. This is primary carbocation, positive charge present on first carbon. This is secondary carbocation, positive charge present on second carbon. This is the tertiary carbocation. Why? Because of positive charge present on tertiary carbon. So primary, secondary, tertiary. We know stability order, student, that is stability order, that is depends on tertiary. Stability of carbocation order, tertiary is greater than primary, secondary, tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary. We know order. And according to our concept, that is positive charge, stability of carbocation means that is positive charge should be less on carbon. This is also positive charge is there, here also positive charge is there, and here also positive charge is there. So what is the role of plus I group, student? That is plus I group electron releasing group. Only one methyl group, only one methyl group is there. Here two methyl group is there. So compared to this one, B compound having more electron releasing. Why? Because two methyl groups are there. And compared to B compound, C compound having three methyl groups are there, three methyl groups, that is more electron releasing. So that's why this is also plus I, and this is also plus I, and this is also plus I. According to the plus I group, that is more electron releasing group, that is C compound is more electron releasing group. So that's why positive charges completely disappear. Positive charges completely disappear. Our concept is, what is the concept, student? That is the stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation, how to determine, student? That is positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. Here also positive charge, and here also positive charge, here also positive charge. Here only one methyl group is there, positive charge slightly decreases. Here two methyl group there, two methyl groups are there, so more electron releasing groups. So that's why compared to A compound, B compound having more electron releasing group. So that's why it is completely slightly more electron releasing. So the more electron releasing compared to A compound. So this is the positive charges more decreases. And compared to B compound, C compound having positive charges completely disappear. Why? Because of three releasing groups are there. These three releasing group, electron releasing group. So these tertiary carbocation is more electron releasing group. So that's why this positive charge is completely decreases. Our concept is positive charge should be less on carbon. That compound is always more stable. So here C compound is more stable than B compound. B compound is more stable than A compound. This is the stability order, student. C compound is more stable than B compound, B compound is more stable than A compound. And one more thing, student, this is also having hyperconjugates. This is also having hyperconjugation. So here this compound having plus I effect is there, hyperconjugation is there. Here three hyperconjugates are there. Why? Because of this alpha carbon, this positive charge beside carbon is alpha carbon, this alpha carbon having 3 alpha hydrogen, and B compound having this positive charge left hand side alpha carbon, right hand side alpha carbon, here 6 alpha hydrogen. And C compound having 9 alpha hydrogen, this positive charge left side, right side, downward. So total 9 alpha hydrogens are there. So here stability depends on hyperconjugation. Stability depends on number of alpha hydrogen. More number of alpha hydrogens are there, that is the more stable. That number of alpha hydrogen is equal to hyperconjugation. That alpha hydrogen is equal to hyperconjugation. Here 9 alpha hydrogens are there. So 9 alpha hydrogens equal to 9 hyperconjugates. Here 9 hyperconjugates, here 6 hyperconjugates, here only 3 hyperconjugates. So here stability depends on hyperconjugates also. Stability depends on number of hyperconjugates. More number of hyperconjugates are there, that is the more stable. Here C compound having 9 hyperconjugates, B compound having 6 hyperconjugates, A compound having only 3 hyperconjugates. So 3 hyperconjugates. So here that stability order, C is more stable than B, B is more stable than A. This is the simple trick, that is the stability of carbocation. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, once again, please click on like. Thank you.